How do you know when something is alive? If it is a person, you can check to see if they are breathing or if they have a heartbeat. Plants don't breathe or have hearts, yet they are alive. Living things are called organisms. Living organisms have a set of 7 characteristics that make them different from non-living things. Nutrition: plants feed by photosynthesis, bears eat meat. Growth: all living organisms grow. Movement: living organisms can move. Excretion: living organisms get rid of waste. Reproduction: living organisms can produce young. Respiration: food is broken down inside cells to provide energy. Materials such as carbon dioxide.
Which characteristic involves breaking down food? Respiration, sensitivity, movement, excretion. What do living organisms do with waste materials? Store, excrete, absorb, recycle. What is a characteristic of all living organisms? Growth, decay, stagnation, inactivity. Which characteristic involves movement? Sensitivity, reproduction, growth, movement. How do living organisms respond to their environment? Sensitivity, ignorance, resistance, stability. What do living organisms need for energy? Food, water, sunlight, air. Which process do plants use to feed? Photosynthesis, digestion, fermentation, respiration. What do bears primarily eat? Plants, meat, insects, fruits. What is the process of producing young called? Reproduction, regeneration, replication, reduction. What process provides energy to cells? Respiration, photosynthesis, digestion, fermentation.